everyone, welcome back to Mobile Marketing with Lina. And today we are kicking off a brand new series, Roast My App. I'll be breaking down real app listings from the App Store and Google Play, telling you what's working and what's not, and also sharing quick win to help you boost visibility and conversions. Don't worry, it's a constructive roast, always laugh. Today's app is MB Menu and Catalog Maker, a business app on Google Play. But before I dive in, let's hear directly from this app's creator, Agustin, who will give us a quick overview.
Hello everyone, my name is Agustin. I'm the creator of Mom Business, an app you can find on the Play Store, and I want to quickly share with you some of its main functionalities. And if you're a small business owner, make sure you listen. You can find our app on the Play Store as MB Menu and Catalog Maker. Our app allows small business owners to showcase their products in an interactive, engaging, and visually appealing way. The best part is that your clients won't need to install any app or software to access your menu or catalog. You can share with them a QR code or a web link so they can easily access your menus on the web. For more info on how to use our app, visit our YouTube channel.
Thanks, Agustin, for being part of this. Your app already has a lot going for it. So let's just go through your Google Play Store listing and see where a few tweaks could make a big difference. So let's start with the icon and title of this app, Menu and Catalog Maker. So does the icon look professional? To me personally, the answer is yes. It looks like you can buy or sell something via this app. It's like a speaking icon to me. Let's, for the comparison, look at the icons of competitors. Let's take a look. I think other apps potentially win only through color in their icons because you see they are colorful. They use vibrant colors, which cannot be said about our app. However, today's app I'm reviewing, I would call a winner, seriously, because look at other icons. For example, Catalog Maker, okay? Yes, branded thing, like C, M, these letters, but in reality, it basically says nothing on the function. I should say that this works for large brands only. If you have a really big brand and everyone knows it, so go for it and use like such icons. In all other cases, it's not gonna work in most situations. So my advice is either keep the icon as it is because it is already good, I like it, or just add some color because it might gonna work, it might increase conversion, but you should A/B test this. And let's move on. What should we discuss next? I suggest we discuss feature graphic and trailer. I'm pressing this button, trailer, and we can see feature graphic here as well. So as you already see, it has a video preview, but the trailer itself we will discuss separately. But how does this feature graphics look at first glance? Personally, I see AI generated food, while competitor apps use this creative element on Google Play to basically showcase actual functionality of the apps. Just look, again, getting back to competitors. Here you can see like menu maker, menu templates. You can see how it looks like in the app. Something similar for price list and menu maker. Again, another one, menu maker, vintage design, and so on and so forth. Okay, this catalog maker, it has social proof on the left, but on the right again you can see menu maker. And unfortunately, for our app MB menu and catalog maker, this feature graphics, it doesn't add value at all. So what I would suggest here, I suggest creating a new feature graphic, of course, even using AI, why not? Or else Agustin and the team can use Canva or other similar tools. But please don't narrow and limit your niche by displaying just food, because we see food here. But the app, it is great not only for restaurants or small cafes, it's great for different businesses, right? So I also think the app would only win if they add a real layout of features like the competitors do, or something, again, something artificial, but not only food. And what about the title? Moving to the title. Menu and Catalog Maker is really a keyword-rich title because, as you can see and understand, it contains both menu and catalog maker. And it's clear what this app does, but I don't understand personally what I'm a user. I see it for the first time. What does this MB mean? I don't understand. For me, as a user seeing it for the first time, it's kind of confusing, you know. And I reread it several times, and the main words, which I should focus on, menu and catalog maker, they just slipped out of my mind. So I'm puzzled. What's MB? What is it? And I should say that it also makes the title longer. And if Agustin would like to keep it, I would recommend moving it to the end. This way, menu and catalog maker, MB. I think that's gonna work better. Now let's move on to the key thing, I would say. Let's move on to the screenshots. So, screenshot number 1. It has a value proposition, but for small business owners who are the main audience, it is pretty vague, isn't it? Build or manage my business. What does it mean? No specific concrete things here. And suggestion is to make it as clear as possible. For example, create and manage the catalog of your products or services. And this second part of the caption on the screenshot number 1, it is for customers who are looking for some specific services. And I should say I see some duality in this, because if we were talking about the iOS App Store, I would recommend a custom product page for this, separate custom product page. For Google Play, yes, I know about custom store listings, but I'd recommend to just omit it and focus on the key target audience segment, small business owners. Let's scroll. Screenshot number 2, screenshot number 3, 4. No one scrolls past this 2 because screenshots number 2 and 3 unfortunately don't show the benefits and value for the target users, and they don't continue the story of the screenshot number 1. And they, as you can see, contain no CTAs. I see that they showcase UI. And I often recommend to showcase UI, but how it's implemented here, frankly, I believe it decreases the conversion. It's just a bit cluttered, and screenshots are repetitive, like the same UI, and they are not connected to each other. Like here I see food, here I see clothes, but there is no clear connection. So my suggestion is to showcase real features. And this app has really cool ones. For example, you can create a digital catalog of your products and share via a link, or convenient enough through a QR code. So why don't we display these cool features on the screenshots? You can create custom landing pages within this app too. And also service providers like plumbers and electricians, they can sell their services using this app. So in theory, the first 3 screenshots could be: screenshot number 1, start selling online, create a digital version of your store. The first part is not only a strong CTA, but also shows value to small business owners. Screenshot number 2, share your catalog of products and services via QR code. And for example, screenshot number 3, build landing pages in a couple of tabs. And I want to underline that the first 3 screenshots are in ASO and in general in your app growth are make or break. They need to be crystal clear, highlight real value, and include really strong CTAs. Otherwise, users bounce before they even scroll. And now let's look at description. Let's look at it. Well, I actually love it very much because look, it provides everything that screenshot lack, I believe so far. It immediately demonstrates the value proposition. Look, allows small business owners to get their business online in an attractive and professional way in just a few minutes without any technical knowledge. It underlines the target audience, small business owners, and it lists all features and it contains CTAs, which is really great. One thing, at first glance, one thing I think Augustin can improve is add more keywords. Since it's an important ranking factor on Google Play, and as you might know, Google Play indexes keywords throughout the full app's description, especially the first few lines. So I recommend carrying out a small keyword research and enriching this already good description with keywords. And I promised we get back to the trailer. Let's watch it. Last but not least, but my favorite. And look how it's demonstrated here. Actually, it's more visual than the screenshots because you can see how you create your catalog. You see the real user interface. Download more business. So it actually does the job that screenshots don't. It provides value proposition and benefits. It shows it's easy to use, intuitive, quick. It showcases your business and attracts customers. I mean the app, if you use this app. And also it includes a CTA to download, as we have seen it. And the trailer reveals what this MB means, Mon Business. But my advice in regard to this app's name is still the same. I would either omit it or move it to the end of the title. So to sum up, some quick tips for wins for this amazing app, amazing business app on Google Play. First of all, Agustin, I recommend replacing feature graphics with either AI generated but relevant elements, not AI food, which is too narrow and targets only cafes, or a real layout picture. You can do this. I think you can work a bit in Canva and create a really great feature graphics. Also, tweak the title, move MP to the end, or consider removing. But what's most important here, strengthen your screenshots, and namely your first 3 screenshots. Add value, benefits, and CTAs to each of them. Focus on the target audience, business owners. So, you should remove this part that search for a business, a product, or a service. Focus on your target audience. And for customers, it's better to later create a separate store listing. So, quick recap. Update the feature graphic, strengthen, enhance your first 3 screenshots, tweak the title, and keep focusing on business owners as your main audience. Big thanks to Agustin for submitting. You've built a really great app and I really hope it keeps growing. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want your app featured in the next episode of Roast My App, just drop a link in the comments or reach out to me on LinkedIn. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel so that I could make even more of this. See you in the next one.